Hi, today I'm going to change out the chainsaw blade on my Homelite 14-inch chainsaw. And the chainsaw blade has been adjusted completely as far out as it can go. And if you look carefully, you can see that it's adjusted all the way out, but it's too loose to be safe to run anymore. So I'm going to change it out for a new blade. And when I got this one, it was a 53 tooth chain. And they sell two chains. They sell one that's 52 links or 52 teeth, and they sell one that's 53. So if you get the one that's 53 like I did, you can't continue to adjust it. It'll just wear out to the point where it's too loose. And when you take it apart, for this Homelite, it's really easy. This removes the cover, and this is the adjusting wheel. See, it gets looser as you adjust it out. So I'm just loosening it. And then this unscrews. And the bar comes loose where this comes loose. These are pretty easy to change out a chain on a Homelite. They're real simple. So once you got the bar off, move the bar and the chain. And in this case, I got the 52 link chain because I had the 53. I mistakenly told you that I was using a 50 link, but I was using a 50. 52 was the one that originally came with the saw. So I put the blade on the bar. And all you have to do is put the chain over the clutch drive, and then all you do is you match the little adjusting pin into one of these holes and put the clutch cover back over on it. So all you do is you turn this little adjusting wheel here, and this is the clutch lock cover lock. When you get it pretty tight, you'll know you get about a dime in between one of those links. That's pretty tight, so that's perfect right now. And you tighten everything down, that's it.